Hi everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. Right now, I'm sitting by the fire because I'm in Himachal and after 2 days of relentless rain, it's Arctic here and there are connectivity issues also. I hope I'll be able to record myself and I'll be able to upload this video very soon. So let's talk a few things about learning this language, about all the highs and lows of this journey. See, the very first thing you need to remember, every master was once a disaster. So, when we learn or when we start learning or acquiring a new thing, a new skill, it's always full of ambiguities. It's basic human tendency. When we want to achieve something and if we don't get the desired results, first what we do, we just give up very easily and we start blaming either to our circumstances or to some people, right? It's all about cribbing about ye nahi hua wo nahi hua. So see, whenever we try to do something new or something for the very first time, of course we make so many mistakes, right? And learning a language, we all know it's a process and it's a lifelong process. So we are going to make so many mistakes. Don't bother about this thing. Okay, second thing, what if people laugh at us? So what? If they laugh at us, so what? How does it affect our journey? It's only your point of view. If it's all about that weightage you are giving those people who are trying to pull you down. So don't bother about the mistakes you will make or the people who are going to laugh at you. It's okay. We can't stop people passing their comments or giving their opinions or judgments. We can't stop them. What we can do, we can be focused and we can turn a blind eye and play a deaf ear to all these comments. That's it. Sometimes if people try to pull us down, if they just demoralize us, you know what, sometimes all these things work magically. We feel motivated. See, fire is also supporting me. So what I want to say or what I was about to tell you, take all this criticism in a very positive way. Okay, use their judgments, use their negative comments as a fuel to your energy. Now let's just discuss a few techniques. First, identify your level. If you are a beginner, if you are starting or if you are going to start from scratch, so you need to follow some basic tips and tricks. First, try to understand the basic concepts of grammar, formation of a sentence, parts of a sentence, parts of speech. Okay, don't go for many complex things or complex concepts, just easier ones. Then try to be consistent, practice regularly. Practice plays a vital role in this journey. Okay, you need to be consistent and you need to practice a lot on your daily basis. Try to learn new words. It's not only about learning new words, how to use those words in your daily conversations. Okay, it is of no use if you jot down so many words in your notebook and you are not using those words. All the words you are learning, use those words. While having a WhatsApp chat with anyone, try to use those words. Okay, because I know if you don't have that environment where you speak this language, it is a difficult thing to use these words or use all the words we are learning. So try to use these words while having chats. Whenever you're dropping a comment on your social media account, let's say on Facebook, try to use different synonyms or personality adjectives rather than saying beautiful, nice. Okay, so these are very small steps but effective ones. Now see, we are living in this era of technology. Everybody has a smartphone and internet. Go for those sites which provide you free practice sessions. Okay, download Skype app and have conversation with different people. Skype app, this works as a panacea for all the problems of English learners, because here we get a free platform where we can connect with people from different walks of life, and we can practice with the different people for free of cost. Now, how to find partners to have a conversation? Then comes YouTube. Nowadays so many learners, they have joined YouTube, they have their channels. So go to their channels, find their mail them, and then connect with those people through Skype app. Here you will get that idea where to start from, and you can rectify. First you can identify your mistakes. Okay, you can find the gray areas in your communication skills. Try to be a good listener. If I'm talking about this app, don't just be in that haste of speaking up. Try to be a good listener. Just watch, observe how the person sitting in front of you is speaking. These are the basic steps you can take while starting your journey of learning this language. Okay, so be an enthusiast of this language, be a fighter. Don't just bother about all the negative or all the hurdles you are facing. You are not the one who is facing these problems. So be happy, keep smiling, be positive, believe in yourself, and keep moving.